Click on the Start Drawing button. The large area at the middle of the screen represents the visual drafting board, and it is infinite in size. Currently, we are looking at a blank interface. This area is called the model space. Just so you know, the infinite in size of the model space enables you to draw something as small as a desk or something as big as a city, using any scale of your choice, be it 1:1000 or 1:1 true scale. This is one out of many advantages AutoCAD has to pen and paper, because if you draw with paper, you try to use scale that will fit your geometry within the confine of your paper. But with model space, you can draw or design even to true scale. Also, model space contains 3D environment. Let's open an AutoCAD drawing to understand what I'm saying. Go to the top left corner of your screen, click on this letter A button, hover your cursor on Open and click on Drawing. A Select File window will pop up. Now locate the table_001.dwg file. You can use the preview to confirm the file you are opening. Now you've seen your file, double-click on it or select the file and click on Open button located down here. To maximize your view, go over to the navigation bar on the middle right corner of your model space and click the Zoom Extend tool. You're currently viewing the drawing on a flat plane and it is on top view. To change the view, go to the right corner of your model space. This right here is the view cube. The view cube has several hotspots. You're viewing from the top view, like I said. You see the left, right, northwest isometric, southwest isometric, and more views. You can also rotate your view by clicking Rotate arrow, and it will rotate your view in 90 degrees increment or decrement. To see all available view options at once, go to the top left corner of your model space and click on the top button to choose any view control. Click on the negative sign button to get your viewport controls. Here you can restore your viewport. For maximization, click on the addition sign and choose Maximize Viewport. If you click on the 2D wireframe, you will get the visual style controls. This control changes the way the drawing looks on screen. I like using the shaded style visual control when working on a 3D object. There's still other visual controls, but let's stay on 2D wireframe till we move to 3D. Towards the bottom of the interface, you can see Model Space as a tab. The other two layouts are designed as a sheet of paper by AutoCAD so that you can set it up and print out finished drawing.